I'm ChiaChia from ChiaChia's Queendom. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to my favorite soy sauce brand from Queendom, Taiwan. Of course, you can just go to any supermarket and pick up a Kikkoman, but if you want to make exceptional food, you need exceptional ingredients. Ta-da! Welcome to DYB Premium Soy Sauce and Food. DYB Premium Soy Sauce is made from all natural ingredients without any additives and preservatives. These naturally fermented 120 to 180 day aged soy sauce will add an extra level of the umami, flavor, and aroma out of your kitchen. Unlike most cheaper soy sauce that are made from concentrate and chemical that are overly salty, DYB soy sauce is made out of actual whole soybeans and take their time to slowly draw out the nose and the taste out of these premium ingredients. I'm positive that you'll immediately taste the difference, but I'm also warning you, once you taste it, you're gonna love it. Braising, stir fry, marinade, or dipping sauces, DYB will become your new go-to brand for soy sauce. DYB soy sauce has many different kinds of soy sauces. Sometimes it's very hard for people to decide which one to get. So today I want to show you my two favorite types that I use all the time in my kitchen. This first one is for dipping sauce. Why do I like it better? Because you know, when you use soy sauce to make a dipping sauce, a lot of times you need to add some water, you add some sugar, or sometimes sesame oil and stuff to balance out the flavor so that it's not too salty and too strong for your food. But this gantian, this soy sauce, it basically pre-makes it for you. So it's got the perfect balance of saltiness and the sweetness. So you can just simply pour it out and use for dipping, and it's not gonna be overwhelmingly, salty or too strong to take over the flavor of your other food. So in another way, it complements your food without overpowering it. This second bottle is definitely fuller body. So you can taste that bean aroma way better, but then it's not super sweet. It got this faint sweetness from the natural fermentation. There's no sugar added into this soy sauce. So if I am going to braise or have longer cooking process, this one is definitely my go-to soy sauce to give me that complex flavor for the umami. If you know Taiwanese people, you know we love our spicy hot pot, and we know when it's a good spicy hot pot. And DYB collaborating with one of the most famous spicy hot pot restaurants in Taiwan to make this spicy tofu hot pot broth base. So you can just heat it up and then put in your favorite ingredients, and voila, you got your spicy hot pot at home. Oh, the tofu. You look at the color, you know the flavor is gonna be good because it's all the way in already. One bite, I'm back to Taiwan. Oh, hey, you don't have to believe me. If you don't, lucky you, because we will be at Mill Creek Central Market on November 25th to 27th from 11 to 3. We will be there and we'll let you try everything. We'll see you there.